Write an essay on the topic coronavirus COVID-19. The outbreak of new coronavirus disease, that is COVID-19, is a pandemic. COVID-19 was first identified during December 9, 2019 in Wuhan city of China. Next para, COVID-19 is now a cause of huge number of deaths across the world. Till now, no proper drug or vaccine has been developed for treatment of this disease. However, clinical trials and research is being carried on for the development of drug and vaccine. Dear students, ये जो कंपोजिशन है, ये जो ऐसे हैं, बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट ऐसे हैं और इंशाल्लाह फोर्थ कमिंग एग्ज़ाम जो हमारा है रेगुलर एग्ज़ाम, एनुअल रेगुलर एग्ज़ाम जो आने वाला है, उसमें इंशाल्लाह ये ज़रूर आएगा. इसलिए इसको आप बार बार सुनिए और इसको अपनी कॉपी पर बेहतरीन तरीके से, अच्छी तरीके से पेन डाउन कीजिए. नेक्स्ट पैरा में देखिए, फीवर, कफ एंड शॉर्टनेस ऑफ ब्रीथ are some of the common symptoms of the coronavirus. Full stop. Apart from this, symptoms like fatigue, sore throat, muscle pain, diarrhea, loss of smell, and abdominal pain can also be seen in coronavirus patients. Next para, many of these symptoms can also be seen in common cold and flu. However, we all need to stay alert during this pandemic and ensure to receive medical treatment in any case. Next para, the coronavirus disease spreads mainly through the droplets generated from the cough or sneeze of a COVID-19 patient. A healthy person may get infected by breathing the virus if he is within a distance of 1 meter or so of a COVID-19 patient. This disease also spreads if a person touches a contaminated surface and then touches his mouth, nose or eyes without washing his hands. Next para में लिखिए, we need to take following steps to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Number 1, wash hands regularly with soap or sanitizer. Number 2, cover your nose and mouth while coughing and sneezing. Number 3, keep a distance of 1 to 3 meters from people who are not well. Number 4, stay home and follow the lockdown rules. Number 5, avoid touching your mouth, nose and eyes if your hands are not clean. Number 6, wear a mask if you are in contact with the COVID-19 patient. Immunity has a big role in getting cured from COVID-19. It is seen that people with good immunity can fight back this disease. We all can take following steps to improve our immunity. Number 1, eat vitamin C rich fruits like oranges and pineapples. Number 2, practice deep breathing. Number 3, Drink herbal tea made from tulsi, dry ginger, black pepper, etc. It is always best to consult a doctor if anyone has any symptoms of the disease. Along with the medications, it is also necessary to have a positive mindset and faith that we can come out of the tough situation. Panic and fear can worsen the conditions. The pandemic of COVID-19 has stopped the whole world. It is necessary that we come out of this situation and as early as possible. We all must follow the lockdown rules and also maintain a good hygiene. Together we all can bring an end to this pandemic. Dear students, ये ऐसे जो हमने कोरोना वायरस और कोविड-19 पर लिखा, ये आपके लिए बहुत अहम है, इसको समझना है। और इसमें जो बातें हमने पढ़ी, जो डायरेक्शंस हमने, जो नसीहतें हमने पढ़ी, उन पर अमल करना है, उन पर खुद भी अमल करना है और दूसरे लोगों को भी इन बातों पर अमल करने के लिए उनकी जो हमें कोशिश करनी है कि वो भी इस पर अमल करें। थैंक्स।